Hey everyone, welcome to another video and welcome to Fort William, where we have camped here overnight. Now there's 3 of us on this road trip. There's me, Brooke and Anna, one of Brooke's friends, that are staying for a week in Scotland. Now today we're going over to Aviemore. Now there's been weather warnings for snow and everything, so it's nice and bright and sunny here today, nice and fresh, feels really good. Had a good night's stay here. So let's get on the road and we'll tell you what we're doing today. All fueled up?
Yep, let's go!
So we've just pulled over and where are we, Brooke?
Oh, I'm going to have to try and say this again. Crag Magada.
Yeah, now we have stayed here before. We well camped here one night because you can actually overnight stay and you know, put some money like in a donation box and that. But because we're driving past the campsite that we're going to, we're hoping to go to a waterfall in a minute as well. But we just said while we're going past here, we may as well just go for a quick walk around here because
I needed to stretch his legs.
And it's stunning.
Yeah.
So last time we was in this area, we noticed this waterfall place here, and it's something that we wanted to have a look at, but the weather was horrendous with the snow last time, so now we're going to have a look. Arrived at the campsite, guys. Let's have a quick look. It's quiet here. It's a big campsite, and I like it that we're parked next to this bit because I dare say we'll go for a walk in there later. So, right, let's do this. Just gonna have a quick look over here now. So let's have a look. Ooh. Yeah, plenty of places to take off for a walk after. So, right, I think I'm gonna make something to eat now. We've not really eaten anything all day. We've been out all day on the go. So, I think we might be having food early, maybe. Let's see. So tonight I'm making a spag bol. So just cooking the pasta now, and
Hannah's got her avocado on toast.
I've never seen anything like this before, so she's just been telling me all about this. So
Avocado.
Pyjamas, is it easier just saying the pyjamas, or is that something completely different?
It's like a hoodie, but like a big one.
Like a blanket in the shape of a hoodie.
Yeah, okay.
Perfect for camping.
Look at the view that we've got there out the window. Brooke's picked another good campsite. It's really quiet here. I mean, it is still technically a little bit still out of season,
We've
isn't
been
it?
putting the furthest pitch away, which is perfect.
Perfect for us.
It's perfect for us, but the toilet block is all the way down there.
Yeah, it's quite far. It's all the way down there, but I'd rather be up
But
here
I'd
with the
rather
toilet
be up
block.
here, and there's loads of walks,
Yeah, I know.
forests and things as well.
So, right, like I said, it's spag ball time, so I'm on it. I am feeding these ladies, and you know, I'm feeding Thor as well, so.
We
You know.
appreciate it very much.
Eh?
I don't feel like you fed Thor once. I'm pretty sure I fed him every day.
I'm just saying.
Excuse me,
Thor's
I
feeding.
gave him a snack.
Oh,
Anyway,
all
let's do the
right.
cooking. Let's do some cooking. So guys, on this road trip we were supposed to have our really good friend Conrad with us. He couldn't make this trip. He's in hospital and he's in the right place at the moment. There's no way that he could have come on this trip. Now, he's been texting, you know, he is recovering and stuff, but like I said, he is in hospital still, so we're just going to do a quick video chat with Conrad because he is supposed to be on this trip, so let's see if we can say hi to him. There he is. There's Conrad, our main man Conrad. Like I said, we are missing him, you know, on this trip, so how are you feeling? Are you okay?
I'm getting much better now. The treatment is going very well. It's still a lot to do. It's a time-consuming process, but they have put me up on my feet now.
Right.
But I've got a lot of other things going on as well.
Good to catch up with you there, Conrad. You know, we do miss you on this trip, so but there are going to be other trips, and we already have spoke about you're going to be on them, and we've got the van meet coming soon as well. So, right. How was your food, by the way, Anna? Let's put her on the spot. Let's put her on the spot. So I made a nice spag ball, and you know I made you a pizza yesterday. You said the presentation was
Amazing.
and it tasted. Oh yeah, Thor liked it as well. And how did it taste?
Tasted alright.
How was your pizza, Brooke? They're ganging up on me. Anyway, how was your spag ball?
It was good, yeah. It was very nice.
It's very nice. It's all right. Okay, we're sort of like we're increasing and stuff. We've got some
My
other things
pizza
that we're gonna make.
tasted really good. It just didn't look that great.
But mine looked really good and
Right.
tasted good.
Yeah, there we go. So, right, what we're going to do now, we're just going to watch a film, chill out for a little bit. Oh, what's up? All right, Thor's saying, while you're here, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Yeah, well, there you go. We appreciate it. Right. What's up? Letting everybody know that you're in Scotland having a good time. Right, film time. We'll catch up with you in a bit. Morning. As you can see, we've had some snow overnight, so right, just going to show you around this campsite a little bit while we're going to the bathroom. Right, we're making breakfast. We're making breakfast. I'm making breakfast now. We're just having a simple one. We're just having some toasted pancakes
Golden syrup.
and golden syrup. And I keep getting ordered about. I'm getting bossed about now. The bossiness has kicked in.
Have you seen
now.
the grin on his face though? He's loving it. And don't forget, Hannah wants a brew.
Yes, please.
Yeah, just getting their orders in and everything. So, right, so yeah, nice simple one. Pancakes. a nice campsite, this. Do like it. But I keep getting kicked out the van because they're like getting changed and doing things, and they just keep telling me to get out, so I've got to listen, haven't I? So look at this view. Yes. We're actually going to another campsite today and doing some exploring on the way. But we're having a van meet. Yes, Scotland van meet, because obviously when we have van meets, you know, we can't sort of like be in Scotland all the time. So one of the campsites that we're staying at, we decided that we're going to have a van meet there. So that's one of the things that we're going to be doing today. So guys, we've got a lot to do today, lots of exploring, lots of different places to go. And like I said, we've got this van meet, so we're really excited about that. But you're going to have to wait till the next video for that. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Until the next one, guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.